Come here. Come here. Let's see if I can get her. Can you lay down? My dog spends more time in my bed than I probably spend in my bed. People love their pets like a part of the family. I've had my chocolate lab for 13 years now, and she is an extension of myself in almost every way. My research is mostly focused on the intestinal bacteria and how it relates to health and disease, because these dogs contribute a huge amount of diversity to your household bacteria. People are so often surprised when I tell them that you might share a lot of the same bacteria that your dog has. Good girl. We have to obtain stool samples, which is actually relatively easy if you have a pet and you take it for walks. You're doing that all the time as you're picking it up. But for humans, it's a little bit more complicated than that. So we took our stool samples into the lab, and we actually have a pipeline where we plate the bacteria, and we can isolate it, and then we can identify which bacteria are present in each of the samples. And then through an algorithm, we can look and see the similarities and differences. Each plate will have different colors of bacteria on them, or different shaped colonies of the bacteria growing. I was very surprised at the similarities between our two sets of bacteria. This is my dog. So looking at those two bacterial plates, it looked about 50% of the microbiome was shared between myself and my dog. So we found 20 to 30 different types of bacteria that could be bucketed into 4 different groups that we found would be interesting. Those groups would be Lactobacilli, which is a probiotic that people might be familiar with. E. coli, that also is a term or a bacteria that's been out in the public. Bacteroides and Clostridium. Do you have kisses? Thank you. They also have properties that fight off other bad bacteria. So these bacteria that contribute to overall health and intestinal health. Good girl. Come on, let's go home.